Na accessories. Time turner. Chocolate? Legit? Maganda yung may yung may card. Yung di ba may triangle na card? Ito, oh. Ay, hindi mo na ako panahanap pa. I mean, ang ganyan. Wala. Oh. Luna Love Queen. Wala. Ay, cute naman. Lumos. Ano to base? Notebook lang.
Oh my God, Dobby.
Dobby. Cute. Ay, yung gumagalaw, oh. Si Grindelwald. Ang galaw. Cool. Ano ko eh. Ewan ko ngayon kung ako, Hufflepuff. Ayan o, tamo, kaya nandito sa itong mga to. Si Newt's Commander is a Hufflepuff. Ang ganda oh.
Pero look din.
Pero yeah, not gonna buy that.
Well, you're,
Pero hindi naman ako ganun-ganun.
Ba't mas mura pa to?
Kasi lang siya. May ganun nga ako nandun. Butterbeer. Ang cute oh. B79. Dobby is free.
3D printing. Antay has this time. To advance na yung 3D printing.
I know. Dami naman pwedeng gawin sa 3D, no?
So, pag meron tayo, we can...
Pero mahal kasi, oo.
Yeah. Pero, but still.
Yeah, in the long run, maganda siya.
Especially kung tayo. This is good.
Paano yun sa sa simbahan?
Chalice.
Chalice.
Pero is kind of...
Ayoko niya. Yan eh. Death Eater.
Harry Potter.
Nice. Cute. Wala eh. Walang maganda. Ako eh. Tourist ako dito. Bakit ba? Ang cute to. Gingerbread. Cookie style. Pero ang cute nun. Si Dobby. Kailangan ko na nga bumili. Thank you.
Which generally make up for a large portion of the creator's revenue. Speaking of sponsors, if this video has been subscribed, it would be greatly appreciated. According to Sunny, the dream of effortless AI everything dream is possible. Loading yourself too easy 4 years ago.
Let's go. Dye my hair purple.
3 hours per day. I wish I could. As this is where we introduce Penguin Zero, aka Most Critical, or Charlie, who would eventually play a massive role in Jordy's down.
Yes, it sounds crazy, but we need robots. We need computers.
That's spoken like a man who really cares about the content.
On the 21st of December 2022, Jordy would publish a tweet stating, I made an AI where it runs its own podcast where it talks about AI. Everything is AI generated from scripts to the video. I don't plan to actually release it to the public, just testing to see what's... Charlie's critiques, but upon viewing, was actually a clip of video called the AI responds to Dustin's reaction to this AI. And this is where I myself became part of the situation, as I left a comment on the video stating, rather than facing Charlie's valid AI concerns, he's just chilling with his buddy's basic responses to his work. Where's the real debate? Whilst my comment may seem insignificant from the surface level, just 2 days later, Pokemon AI would publish a video responding to my
Content made on Brent Rivera. As I was editing the video, I was frantically checking my email.
So let's try press on nails habang nagmamarinate yung dye ko. So I got this from She Beauty for like 39 dirhams yata. And then pag inapin mo, tanan! So, meron na siyang set of nails. And sa ilalim, it have yung wood, alcohol, filer, and yung sticky tab. So, let's try going.
A YouTube video was re-uploaded by another user. No, it wasn't. My video was transformative. I made a whole video.
In his channel, he did ask Brent to respond by posting his report history.
I don't just want to blindly come on here and
And yeah, in the cyberspace as well. You know, I bet even, the Lord was on an altar.
As Brent liberally borrows Kelly's entire script. You see, the order of events in Kelly's video.
May pa-stop-stop ka. Ito po. Pang wedding ring. Ano kaya ask?
Not 100% Kashmir. Well, ask them. I know it.
Saan nyo gusto umupo? Sa labas gusto nyo? So, saan doon? Or doon sa loob?
Looks legit na. Nila. Ang daming egg nila.
Bango.
Senso yan.
Straight pa po. Taka na lang ng Thailand. Parang kami yung turista dito eh. Bagahe.
Just 1 minute.
I'm gonna have a chestnut. Between parents.
Sarap oh.
Yeah. And I just wanna have the one chestnut. Chestnut roses. They open fire. Roasted pala. Chestnut roasted.
Doors closing.
Chestnut to.
Sana ano, may pasukan yan. Original sa akin.
Ayun,
Area
kailangan mo
ko.
dati.
Ngayon, expand. Kailangan Azizi maliit ang ano. Maliit ang cutting. Sa amin, ano din. Extension din nila.
Pas ka na naman.
Our handa. Hehe.
Kaya doon.
Our handa for inopen na nila to. Happy New Year po! And then, bangus. Hindi na daw. Gano'n ba kahaba? 5 mo na, 6 mo na lang para pili isa. Okay lang sobra, wag lang kulang. 7 na or 2. Coconut milk. Mahal naman ito. Coconut milk. Let's go.
Three, four bags. Four bags.
Ay! Ayan na. Hindi mo... Iikot ka. Tanungin natin. Tara. Sir? Going to Din Tai Fung. Just... Okay, thank you. Cha. Wala. Wala nang upuan. Di ba po kami dun, no? Kaya ubos ka.
Pwede mag-stayan ka mamaya. Order naman kami. Okay, 5 ba? Sige ba?
Gusto niyo muna sa labas. Chat, nilabas na.
Model wide eh.
Dalawa lang.
056, 995. Ayan gamitin mo pag ako.
Biglang may umakbay kay Tito eh. Nagulat ako eh. Ang hello.
Hello. Meron ito nga sa'yo eh, nila Jojo.
Ay, bakit? Oo nga.
Bakit hindi
Ewan ko. Thank you.
But small.
Ewan ko.
Hard shock pa.
Ganon. Meron.
Sold the 200. You know that. You don't know.
Isa?
22 isa?
Mura lang eh.
Mahal.
Mura lang eh.
Papamura pala. Pistachio din naman po hawak mo.
Pistachio.
Isang pistachio.
Kunafa.
Yung laman nito yun.
Hindi, ang ano, pistachio kunafa.
Parang ano yan.
Tapos yan, hazelnut kunafa.
So, dalawa na to.
Oo.
Ayan.
Tsaka po ng ano, pomegranate. Oo, yung pomegranate. Isa lang ba?
Tikman lang. Ayun.
Hindi nga.
Good for 7 days. Eh, yung nakabox?
Hindi, 290 na. Ay, 280.
Ito, yung small.
Ilan naman?
Nasa natin.
Thank you po.
Hi, sir. Hi, ladies. Welcome to Mustafa. May I help you? No, we're just looking. Okay. How much is this? It's a mixing box. The Turkish delight. It's 285 grams. No, it's not grams. Grams.
Ito lang mo, no?
Huh?
Meron ng mix.
Yung Shanghai, may ano ba yan? Merong... Baboy.
Aboy po.
Hindi.
Race.
Nandun si Mocha? Ay, si ano? Lopez? Sobrang naluto ng noodle na to.
Buti, di ako makain. Buti. Yun.
Sige, speed mo yan.
Oh, perfect. All in.
All in ka doon.
Aside from the one in your plate, all in. Tayo naman. Naglasa na. Gusto mo rin pa, tita?
Sa trabaho lang, malabok na. Ay, malabon.
Hindi na yung chicken.
Oo. Kasi diretso tulog siya mamaya.
1 hour kaya.
Dapat siguro,
Oo, binigyan ako.
Ang para sa akin yan.
yung mga sound.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you! Kontaktan. Happy New Year, everyone!